Here at Maverick Aerial Photography, we can do a 3D map of your property, giving you a full-scale interactive map so that your customers can see, they can get immersed as to where they could potentially be living in. They can say, oh yeah, here's a little bridge, and here's the other house, where they can, oh yeah, let's take a look at the other side of the house, and oh yeah, the house has got solar panels on it. So let's zoom in and see how many solar panels. How does the house look? Oh, look, a little shed. And this gives them the ability to interact and immerse themselves into the feelings that they will get when they have a property of this magnitude. And they can say, oh wow, this is a great spot for the RV. Let's check it out. And yeah, it's close enough where you got some woods here, and it's out of the road, and you can just imagine what kind of response people are going to get when they see that they can interact with a 3D map from Maverick Aerial Photography. So if you want to book an appointment with Maverick Aerial Photography, go ahead and click on the link below and scroll down to where it says click to book appointment, and you will have the option of signing up for a phone appointment with us. And this will allow us to get more information about your property. What exactly are you looking for? How can we help you? How can we help sell your property? Is there anything specific that you want to be highlighted? And so with that being said, it's really exciting. This is all new stuff to a lot of people, but this is definitely the way real estate is going to be going. So book your free appointment over the phone at maverickaerialphotography.com. And if you like this kind of content, if you like seeing these new things and discovering what new things we can be doing with drones, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and leave a comment below. We love interacting with you guys, and um, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to doing business with you. Thank you.